Okay, grandmas, here we are. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So this.
And then what do we need is brown sugar?
After you've melted your butter, you're going to add half a cup of brown sugar. What are you doing now, Lyla?
Adding the brown sugar.
That would be important. Jak, did you wash your hands? Okay.
Yeah. We made like smoothies and ice cream sundaes. Yeah. What about
Well, last semester, I have a friend who did culinary class. They did French toast and pizza dish. Ice cream sundae.
Okay, so Jak will need you pour it in the pan and then you spread it around evenly.
I made red velvet white chocolate chip cookies and sugar cookies, and I made the royal icing. I tried to decorate them, like, you know, when you like dip the top of the cookies into the bowl and you try to like make the whole cookie like that color.
Yeah.
It didn't work that way because it was way too thin. So then I just put a bunch of sprinkles on it, so you couldn't see anything.
Yeah, that works.
Like, my teacher was like against calling this like a spatula.
Oh, really?
Or like any other tool, like, you know, the turner. That's
Yeah.
what she called it. Like, everybody called it the spatula, but she would be like really mad if you called it the spatula.
Huh.
Because like the metal spatula.
You can leave the dirty stuff in the sink. I'm going to be your sous chef today. That's great, Jak. So you can drop that in the sink. I'll wash all this stuff for you guys. Uh-huh. Yep, you're done with that. Now then, next thing you want to do is you each have a can of pineapple. You want to open that and drain it. And I think, did I put 2 drainers? You've never opened a can? Okay, so yep, sit it down, that's smart. And then, yeah, take the ring and pull it towards the edge. Yep. Yep. And then pull back towards yourself, Lyla. Oh, there you go.
Word strength right there.
So go all the way, Jak. Go all the way that way. Now pull it back towards you. Using your thumb. Put your thumb here. Like this. Nope. Put this finger in here. And this one on there as leverage. And pull back. Yep. There you go. Keep pulling. There. There you go. Do the same size. So awesome. Yeah, just keep it over the sink for a few minutes. You can leave your cans just over there to your left, Lyla. There you go. Yeah, good. Jak, you can put that can right over there to the left. Yep. There you go. Yep. Just slip it right in there. Perfect. And just fit as many whole ones as you can, because then we can put half ones in as well. Yeah, Jak, that's perfect.
Oh.
Awesome. So now see how they've done this, Jak? They've cut some and they put them round side down in these spots. So neither of you ever tasted a pineapple upside down cake?
I don't know.
You know, it's your mom's favorite dessert.
Then I probably should.
Yeah. What's your favorite part of cooking, you guys? What do you enjoy about it? Eating it.
I like making it.
Why?
Because then you know you earn to eat it.
Gotcha.
So, like, it looks so good when it's like in the
I
middle.
know, it's pretty. Not quite. See, that's how you really want it to be really exact. So the trick is overfill it and then scrape it off into it. There you go. That's a cup. So 2 cups. You can go ahead and do the other cup. A cup and a third and a cup and a third. So you need 2 of the 1 cups and 2 of the 1/3 cups. 2 teaspoons. Just drop it in the flour. And then Lyla, you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of salt. The salt is in the salt keeper. which is this brown bad boy. And Jak has the spoon, so you have to get the spoon from him when he's done. So.
What about that? You don't take the lid off. It
Slides around. Pretty nifty, huh? I think that's perfect. That it doesn't matter. Yeah, you're good. Smart using that ledge. That's exactly why that's there. Did you learn that in culinary?
No.
Just natural.
Here?
So nope. You want to go over here, but you want to add just enough to really fill it up. See, it's not quite 1 cup. If you want, you can pour it over this, because then if there's any spillage, it won't really matter. Give it a little shake and you'll know when you hit it. A little more. Brown sugar, yes, sir. Half a cup. There you go, that's better. And I'll take that sugar so I can put it away. As your sous chef. There she goes. So you just want to do that until it's incorporated. Maybe go up to 2 or 3. You just don't want to whip it, you just want to incorporate it. Okay, so Jak, after she puts in half a cup of sour cream, I would level it off. I'd add a little bit more and flatten it out. Jak, you're going to need that same half cup, and you're going to do half a cup of milk, which is right here if you want to get it open.
Here?
Yeah, you might need another scraper. So, Jak, will you grab the small red scraper out of that drawer for her? Yep, you just touched it. Nope, that one, because it has a really small one on the end. So it has 2 different sizes. Get as much of it out as there as you can, it's no big deal. And then Jak's going to use that for half a cup of milk. And then Lyla, after you do that, and Jak's doing the milk, if you'll do the pineapple juice, get it ready. We're going to do half a cup of pineapple juice, and then you are done. We're ready to mix. All that, don't keep the half cup out, still need it. It doesn't have to be washed, it's alright. It's just milk. And then if you want to open the pineapple juice, Lyla, shake it up first, and it's all natural. So Jak, if you want to pour that in over the bowl, it won't matter if it sloshes a little bit, as long as you don't lose control and pour 4 cups in. There you go. Just drop that in there. And then Lyla's going to need it for the pineapple. Want some help? Yeah. Take this. It's on. Oh. So let me show you a trick. When you can't get it open, gently, upside down, hit like this on 3 sides. It breaks the seal, normally, and it comes off like that. Hi!
Tips from
Kate's cooking tips. Pour that, you can leave that in, it doesn't have to be cleaned. If you want to pour it over the bowl, it won't matter if you splosh a little. Just try not to super over pour. There you go. Right up to a little bit more. There you go. Drop her in. All right, that can go in the sink to mix. So it's heavy. Put your phone down because it's heavy. So when you go to tip it down, it's going to want to thunk. Watch your fingers, don't clamp them under there. You can hold this nose piece, that helps a lot. There you go. And then lock it.
That was a lot more
I know, but
graceful than I
it
did.
was pretty. Because I didn't freak out. All right, so over on this side, Jak, you'll see the speeds. You always want to start a little bit low. So I'd go up 1 from that at least. And basically you just want to let that go until it's nicely mixed. I think I take it up a little more. Beat until just combined. So when you feel like that's just combined, like they don't want you to like whip it. So I would turn it off and take a look at it and see if you feel like the ingredients have combined themselves.
Yeah, I feel it.
So take a look, Lyla. What do you think? A look combined?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to add in the flour mixture. Now, when you do this, you're going to have that going, let's say at a 4, 2 or 4, probably 4. And then while one of you is doing that, the other is gently going to put the flour stuff in a little at a time. So you shake a little in, so that it just combines it as you go. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, who wants to do what?
Usually when I try to pull it,
Lila's the brave one. Arg.
I'm pretty sure I'm the same, but
so I just
Sure.
start out.
Yep. I think I put it at 4. Yep.
4?
Where are you now? 3?
I'm at 2.
Go up one more and let's see.
no.
Let's do 2. Okay. Your hands are clean, so you can use your fingers to kind of knock it into the bowl. There you go. Yeah, you just don't want to overwhelm it. So you're kind of, oh no, that's going great. Keep going. You're doing a good job. More. You can do a lot more than that. Think of it as like, get it like a 1/4 of it in. Okay, that'd be good to not have. That was the lucky hair. Whoever gets that when they eat their pie or their cake gets a prize.
Yeah, I'd like to waste them.
Oh, that's looking good. Yep, you definitely want all of it. Awesome.
Oh man.
Probably chop them more.
And then what's left on your scraper, you can rub on the end of this paddle to get it off. So it goes back into the recipe. Yeah, perfect. And then put her back down, lock her, and turn her back on. Now I turn her up to maybe 4. Really get it combined. There you go. All right, let's turn her off.
You get that one?
Perfect. What we're gonna do, put half in Jack's, half in Lila's, and then Jack, you're gonna take the spatula there, start to gently, very gently start to even that out.
Which spatula should I use?
Either one. Now Lila, I'm gonna fill yours, and then I'm gonna take the camera so we can get you getting yours evened out. And I think I'll have to come back and put a little more in each of them. I just want to make sure that we're even. So do that and then I'll add more. Are in the oven. Let's see if we can see them. Oh, my door's pretty dirty. There they are. I know, you're not supposed to open it when she started baking, but it's only been in a few minutes. Yummy! Yep. So, let's see if I can pull this out a little bit. There we go.
Mine's on the left, I think. So it's
Yep, you're on the right. Don't burn yourself on the thing.
Mine's good.
Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Mine's good.
Hey! All right, you want me to take them out for you? Yeah, because they're going to end up there. All right? I'll go first, you go second.
Okay.
So you're gonna take this for yours. Let me do it first. You go do it. Okay, you're gonna put it over. And of course, the pan is super hot. So you want to make sure that you do that. Okay. We're gonna bring it over here. See how I have it under here and here. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Flip. And then you're not gonna lift that pan. You're not gonna lift the pan because
It's so hot.
well, you could use these. You're not going to lift it because what was that first layer on your cakes, guys?
Pineapple.
No, the brown
No,
sugar
yeah.
and butter.
Brown sugar and butter. So you want all of that brown sugar and butter to drip off the pan and over the cake.
Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Pan,
This goes over here,
yeah,
right?
but don't touch the pan. There you go. Thank you, honey. It's going to not fit perfectly, so you have to kind of stabilize it. Stabilize it.
I don't know. I'm scared. Okay.
It's all right. Carry it over here. Have it up high enough so that you're going to go 1, 2, 3, flip, and just hold it. 1, 2,
2, 3.
direct flip. Yep. There you go. You're good. And straight down. There you go. Perfect.
Woohoo! I did it.
Yes, you did. All right. Well, let them sit for a couple minutes. Then we'll do the big reveal. Just use one.
Ooh, look how
Oh,
strong.
just use one.
That's
I'm
fine.
That I can do that.
Hey!
Look how good that looks.
That's amazing. Just stick that in the sink, honey. That is amazing, Jack. Cool. All right, are you ready, Lyla?
You do not earn the first. You have to earn the first piece.
I think the bakers get the first piece. You can just do one or both, whatever, however it comes off. Hey! Look at you!
That doesn't look too shabby.
It looks awesome! All right, you guys. Way to go. Now they cool and we eat them after dinner. They smell delicious.
It smells like brown.